So just a few days ago we had the release of Zygote, a short film by Neil Blomkamp and his Oats Studios. At the time of making my breakdown for the video, I questioned what the monster was. It seems, along with the release of the short film, The Verge had in fact released an interview with Neil Blomkamp, the man himself, about what the monster was and some deeper insights into the world of Zygote. According to Blomkamp, the events that led up to what we see in Zygote goes as follows. Earth is inundated with asteroids 20 years from now. Massive amounts of asteroids fall all over the planet, and there's a concentration of them in North Canada and Russia. They bring with them some really unique semiconductors and materials that we aren't familiar with on Earth. So, these mining corporations become these larger 21st century versions of Google, where all the venture capital goes into extracting these incredibly precious metals. In the asteroid, there's this trap that's been flying around for who knows how many billions of years. I really like the idea of a light wave transmitting gigabytes of data into a mine, and that's what happened in the mining facility. When the miners crack open the rocks, this light bounces into their eyes. It sends them down this spiral. It basically teaches them how to make a biological substrate that it can live in. Essentially, it wants to make them a body. That's where this monster comes from. So it seems the monstrous creature is in fact extraterrestrial in origin, but sort of human in form. This makes sense in the context of the film when Quinn wanted to tear his eyes out after he saw the light, but realised there was something wrong with him anyway. Neil also states that this monster was heavily inspired by The Thing, which I feel is very evident in a good way, and I also feel it's pretty reminiscent of the necromorphs in Dead Space, in appearance, movements, but also how they come to be initially. I really enjoyed this short, hence following it up with a quick explanation video surrounding its monster. We have one more short film coming in volume 1 titled Lima. Apparently it's a current day thriller, however Neil has not decided when it will be released. So what did you think of this expansion behind the world we were introduced to in Zygote? Let me know what you think down below in the comments section, and if you did enjoy this video then please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel for more in the future. If you think this video is worth it and you want to support the channel, then please head on over to my Patreon page, the link is in the description box. I've been Mr. H, and until next time, I'll catch you in the comments section.